Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Teacher I class. Okay, yesterday we studied about a rainy season. We studied about vocabulary words. Okay, do you still remember those words? All right, okay, today students we are going to practice saying the word properly. Okay, let's do it together and then after that teacher I will call you one by one. Are you ready, students? If you are ready, let's begin. Okay, it's about a rainy season. Let's begin with our first word. Okay, let's say the word 3 times. Okay, let's say the words three times. Our first word is, okay, again, we're going to say it 3 times. Okay, rain. Okay, one more. Rain. Okay, last one. Rain. Very good. Let's go to the next word. Raindrop. 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 Good job. Let's go to the next word. Raincloud. 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 Very good. Puddle. 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 Let's proceed to the next word. Rain boots. Rain boots. Last one. Rain boots. The next word is rainbow. 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 Umbrella. 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 And our last word is raincoat. 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 Good job. Okay, are you ready for our activity today? Okay, let's practice first. Okay, let's count and identify the color of the raindrop. Okay, count and identify the color of the raindrop. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, can you tell teacher I what is the color of the raindrop you see? It's color blue. Okay, very good. Okay, let's. All right, the rain is color blue. Okay, can you say it one more time? The rain is blue. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next. Okay, can you tell me what color of the raindrop is? What is the answer? It's color red. Okay, everybody say the rain is red. One more. The rain is red. Very good. Okay, now let's count the raindrops. Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? All right, everybody say, I see 5 raindrops. Okay, one more. I see 5 raindrops. Okay, very good. Let's go to the last one. I see blank yellow raindrops. So let us count the yellow raindrops. Okay, everybody, let us count. 1, 2. So how many yellow raindrops are there? There are 2. So the answer is I see 2 yellow raindrops. I see 2 yellow raindrops. Good job. Okay, let's read it one more time. Ready? The rain is blue. The rain is blue. Next, the rain is red. The rain is red. I see 5 raindrops. I see 5 raindrops. Okay, let's move on to the last one. I see 2 yellow raindrops. One more. I see 2 yellow raindrops. Very good. Okay, now I want you to get your notebook and your pencil. Okay, it's time for you to do the activity. All right, you see? Okay, I'll explain to you what you are going to do, students. Listen carefully. Okay, on the center, you will see different kinds of clothes. All right, on the left side, you will see a box. Okay, you will see a sun. Okay, on the right side, you will see another box and you will see rain. So this is what are you going to do, students? You are going to sort the following clothes. Okay, which clothes you use on summer day? And which in these clothes you use on rainy days? Do you understand, students? Okay, I hope you enjoyed doing this one. Okay, you have to put color on your drawing to make it beautiful. May start now. All right, students, I hope you enjoy our lesson today. Time over, teacher. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Keep safe. Oh, and remember, students, do not forget to wear your mask when you go out and to wash your hands. Bye-bye. See you.